DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern King County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mendota, moving east at 40 miles per hour. More severe storms were moving across southern DeKalb County into Kendall County. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Ottawa, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Mendota, Sheridan, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Lake Holiday, Somonauk, Girlville, Serena, and Newark. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 61 and 77. Interstate 80 between mile markers 113 and 122. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.